Hello and welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In this guide video, I'm gonna show you how you can download Etoro app on your Android device. To download Etoro on your Android device, you need to go to the Play Store and then in the search bar, you can type in Etoro. As soon as you do that, you can see the application of Etoro. Now to download it, tap on the install button. As you can see, the application has started to install on my device. The download duration of the application will depend upon the speed of your internet connection. It could take a few seconds, even up to a few minutes. After the application has been installed in your device, an open button will appear. You'll need to click on this button. Now from here you can log in or sign up to Etoro. You can watch our other videos if you don't know how you can sign up to Etoro. How you can sign up and create an account for Etoro. If you don't know what Etoro is a multinational social trading and multi-asset investment company that focuses on providing financial and copy trading services. So to sign up for Etoro, the first thing you need to do is open up a browser. Then in the search bar, you can type in Etoro sign up and then click on the first link. Now from here, you'll be able to sign up to Etoro by entering in some details. Firstly, create a username and then add in your email address. Now you will need to create a password. Make sure that your password is strong by including numbers, letters, and special characters. If you want to reveal your password, then you can click on this show button and it will reveal your password. Now if you don't want to create your account this way, you can also simply create an account using Google or your Facebook account. This way, you will be automatically logged in and you won't need to create a username, email address, or a password. For now, I'm going to use these, and then after you're done, click on Create Account. But first, you need to accept these terms and conditions, and then click on Create Account. Verify that you're not a robot, and then click Verify. Now a verification link has been sent to your email address. There you need to click on your link and then your email will be verified. So now I'm in my Gmail account. As you can see, I have received a verification link from Etoro. You'll simply need to click on this verify my email button. And just like that, you have been signed up for Etoro.
How to log into your Etoro account using your Etoro application on your mobile device. Once you have the application, tap on it to launch it open and allow necessary permissions for the app in the pop-up. Now, as soon as you go ahead and launch open the app, you'll be able to see this interface from where you can create a new account if you don't have it yet. Or if you already have an existing account, you can tap on the sign in link at the bottom of the screen and enter your username or your email address followed by your correct password. You can also go ahead and sign in with your Apple account, Facebook account, or Google account by selecting from the options at the bottom. If you want to log in using your username or email, go ahead and type in your email in the first text box or your username for your Etoro account. Now, on the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on Reset It Here link right beneath the password box and follow through the password reset process. Once you type in the correct password, you can tap the sign in button.
How you can log into your Etoro account. So to get started, you'll need to open up the website of Etoro, which is etoro.com. So as you can see, the official website of Etoro has opened. Now to log into your account, click on the login option located on the top right corner. Now in the sign in page of Etoro, you will need to either enter your username or your email address and then enter your password. If you want to stay signed in even after you close the application of Etoro, then you need to check this box. If not, then uncheck it. If you have used any of these services to create your account, then you can simply choose these options to simply log in. Now after you fill this information, you can click sign in. So that's how quickly you can log into your Etoro account, how you can change the password of your Etoro account. If you feel that your password to your account is not secure, or if you haven't changed the password to your account in a long time, then you can follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video to change the password. So to change the password of your Etoro account, you'll need to firstly log into your Etoro account. Then after you do that, on the left hand panel you can see, if you scroll down, you can see an option called setting, and then click on accounts. Now you can see a few of the options that you can change. To change your password, click on the password change option. Firstly, enter in your current password. If you don't remember your password to your account, then you will not be able to change your password and you need to reset your password first. But for now, enter in your current password and then create a new password. After you're done creating a new password and retyping it, click on submit. And just like that, your password to your Etoro account has been changed. How you can reset the password of your Etoro account. If you have forgotten the password to your account, then you can simply retrieve it by following the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. It is a quick and easy process, so let's get straight into the video. The first thing you'll need to do is open the website of Etoro, which is etoro.com, and then after you land it on the website of Etoro, you can go to the login page by clicking on the login button. Now from here you don't see any option to reset your password. What you need to do is once click on this sign in option. After you do that, you will see an option to reset it. Click on reset it here. Now to reset your password, you need to enter in your email address that you used while creating your Etoro account. After you enter the email address, hit submit. Now a reset email has been sent to your email address. You'll need to open up your email. As you can see, now I'm in my Gmail account and I have received a reset password email from Etoro. This link will be only valid for 24 hours, so you must reset your password within 24 hours or else you won't be able to reset from this link. Now to reset it, click on set a new password. From here you'll be able to enter in a new password. Make sure that your password matches and also make sure that your password is strong by including uppercase letters, smaller case letters, special characters and numbers. After you're done, hit submit. And just like that, your password has been successfully changed and it was resetted successfully. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, hit subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss videos such like this. And that will be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.